Okay, this is Freight Shields' vlog number one for ENSE 400. We're gonna.
So, introduction to the team. My name is Amandeep Pata. I'm a system architecture. I'm a fourth year student at the University of Regina.
Hello everyone, my name is Raman Preet and I'm also a fourth year student at university and I will be accountable for the development of this project.
Hi, my name is Alok Paranchape. I'm going to be working on quality assurance for this project, and I'm also a fourth year student at the University of Regina in software.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Al Harbi. I am a fourth year student and I'll be a DAB designer.
So I guess our current responsibilities, I'm going to be writing up documentation. I've written up a business case and a stakeholder register, just provisionally.
I will be initializing GitHub and I also have a domain name set. I just need to retrieve the passcode for those. Also reading on laws and regulations of the trucking industry.
I'll be doing the establishing contact with the carriers and the shippers for gathering information.
Me, Raman, will do the hi-fi and lo-fi prototypes and also will take care of the front-end development.
So the project background, let's talk about the project background real quickly. Our project's main focus is Canadian trucking industry, not the US. That becomes a bigger scope, just the Canadian trucking industry. And just to define some definitions, we have carrier who do the job, shippers who request for jobs, and dispatchers who's kind of like the middle person between carriers and shippers, a connection. There are existing solutions like load lane dat 123. They show only the information about the jobs available, but nothing else. Dispatchers I'll take advantage of that information and kind of overload drivers to go left and right, back and forth, where they tend to spend more driving hours than required, which violates the HOS, which is hours of service for logging book.
So I guess our golden circle is our big reason why is that our current system sort of incentivizes drivers to break safety regulations, and we want to fix that. So basically, our main method for getting rid of this issue is by simulating a logbook and showing that information so that shippers can only see, or can only allow jobs that don't break regulations, and drivers can only accept jobs that don't have them go over hours. The way we're going to do this is we're going to make a new platform for connecting shippers to carriers that has the logbook as a feature that's visible and restricts jobs.
The impact of our project, when we are done with our project, there will be an alternative to the current system, like as my teammates talk about, like the load link. We're going to be the also alternative to them. And especially the one that doesn't encourage unsafe driving and hiring practice. Also, we're gonna need like to make a platform that allows types of equipment, different load. In order to achieve that, we will need to learn more, like some additional software development techniques. As we're gonna use like later on, they're gonna talk about like the main stack we're gonna use. Okay, also using the project organization method covered in the class. Also 271 we learn more, and 374 also we learn more stuff about it. And then also we'll also need to research laws and regulation regarding tracking industry.
So who are our customers? Our North Star customers, our main customers are shippers and carriers, kind of both way impact, because shippers get to get their load safely and carriers get to get more jobs and stuff like that in without violating the regulatory hours, right? So both of them have their opinion and we have to kind of put in respect to it and add features according to those, right? And we have to design interfaces for both of them, right? Carrier customers are dispatchers, for example, the middle person. They have no impact except that they just need to learn the software, that's it. Because the regulation mentions are Canada specific, they are likely bound to only those audiences, which means they only are from province to province base instead of country to country base. So we are currently trying to reach more shippers, but that's not guaranteed because shippers are large and sometimes they tend to not talk to other people. Whereas carriers, they're looking for jobs. They have some trying to find jobs more and more for the profit kind of aspect of things. So they are more likely and willing to talk to us. Our ultimate goal, like the bigger picture, is to include US and Canada both, but that will depends on the time and how many MVPs we can accomplish. We can just put it aside for now.
So what we are doing, this is a list of some of the constraints, the scope. This project will have a lot of features, but we will try to focus on the main ones. Time, we will try to at least deliver 2 to 3 MVPs by the end of December and wrap up the whole project by the end of April 2024. Knowledge, we will probably learn new development languages like React that we never came into so far, and 80% of the languages we already done in the university. Access to the customer, because of the specialized nature of the project, it is particularly important here to talk to customers. Otherwise, the result might not work for the industry, because we are making this project for the users, and taking reviews from them is the most important thing. And how are we going to do this? This is a list of some of the technologies that we are using. These technologies might change as the project progress. So there will be a user, and the front-end development will be taken care of by React. The backend is made of Node.js and Express.js. Node.js usually do JavaScript in the backend, and Express.js is for authentication and authorization. The MongoDB will be our database for this project. The whole stack is called as a MERN stack, which is used to build web applications. We will try to use MVP design structure for this project, as well as observer pattern.